Hi everyone, welcome to Two Youths Transplanted. Today we will be featuring 14 of our DIY decor projects that were featured in our 2018 Christmas home tours. This is a requested video, so we do hope you will join us. First up in Project Share Reveal is our Grinch Vignette featured in part 3 of our Christmas home tour series. This one was a really fun project to create. Can you guess what material was used for this? That's right, if you said foam board. You know how we like our foam board here. If this isn't a wonderful testament to what you can do with foam board, we don't know what is. I freehanded the characters and Kelly cut them out, and together we created this heartwarming, timeless scene. I mean, who doesn't love the Grinch, right?
Number 2 is Santa's Mailbox. We knew we wanted to create a mail scene, North Pole mail scene, so we needed a mailbox. We already had our little reindeer mail carrier and our elf mail carrier and our little boy with his Santa letter. So we needed the perfect mailbox, and we couldn't find one out on the marketplace, so we decided to make one ourselves. And this little mailbox is made completely from a cardboard project board from the Dollar Tree. So it was only $1 to make this, and we used some trim from Walmart, that candy cane trim, and paint, and a green poster board for the top so we could get that smooth rounded look. And that's how we completed this one.
Next up, number 3, our rustic farmhouse-inspired tree stand. This little crate, although it looks like wood, is really made of foam board. This cost $1 to make, and it was the perfect addition to our Christmas vignette featured in part 3 of our series. Number 4, the vintage red truck was originally designed to be a giant refrigerator magnet, and of course it is made of foam board. I drew the design and Kelly cut it out. She also added the rear view mirror, and she made the tire treads by using hot glue and painting them black. We are so satisfied that this turned out like it did. Oh yes, the trees were also done in foam.
Number 5 is the Faux Fireplace chalk art. Now this little fireplace was created using a black foam board from the Dollar Tree, some white chalk for the actual fireplace design, which we freehanded onto the black board, and then we used some green chalk for the garland and some multicolored chalks for the lights that are in the garland. And then we created a little fire at the bottom with some little logs, and we just think it provides the perfect little Yuletide touch. Number 6 is our Christmas window decor. It's various sized trees for our window display made out of, you guessed it, foam board, our absolute favorite Dollar Tree product. We created these trees to look like wood, and then we put different patterns on each one using assorted scrapbook papers. And we really liked the way that this turned out. It gave the perfect backdrop to our other plaid things going on in our vignette. And if you want to see that vignette in its entirety, please check out Christmas Home Tour Part 3.
Number 7, the Nativity. Some may remember this from 2016 in our Christmas decor, where the Holy Family and wise men were dressed in red and gold attire. This year we decided to change things up a bit, and I repainted it using a totally different color scheme.
Number 8 is our Christmas cone tree, and this was made using a plastic craft cone, but you could use any kind of cone you can find, be it a poster board rolled into a cone shape or even styrofoam. We covered this in Dollar Tree Excelsior, that little green stuff that comes in a bag, and we also used some assorted picks on it and some of the frosted pine cones from Dollar General, as well as the little Jingle Bell garland from Dollar Tree. And then we also made a tree topper using our poinsettia ribbon bow method featured in our video from last year. So if you want to see a ribbon tutorial.
Number 9 is Mrs. Claus's Oven. Kelly came up with what I think was a truly unique DIY. The idea was to create what looked like an oven at the bottom of our baker's rack. So using foam board and a curtain rod, that is exactly what she did. And now Mrs. Claus has her own oven due to my daughter's imagination. If you would like to get a peek inside of this oven, check out part 1 of our Christmas 2018 home tour.
Number 10 is our Jolly Wooden Tree. This was a craft tree, unfinished wood tree that we got at a craft store, and he was only like $8, and we just painted him green and added a light set to him. He came with the pre-drilled holes. We added a light set and added those little balls to the lights, and then we added some rickrack, and Mama polka dotted the bottom portion of it. And we just love the way that this looks. It's so retro and vintage, and it's just perfect to us. Next up is number 11, our jumbo-sized gingerbread house. We enjoyed making this one so much, and this one is made not of foam board, but close. It is made of a cardboard display board. And believe it or not, it only took one cardboard display board from the Dollar Tree to make this jumbo house. And we painted it the exact color of gingerbread, added a few little trims on it and pipe cleaner trims, and those little windows, the shutters, are made of cardboard also, and the little pattern on them to look like waffle cones is just hot glue. So we had really a lot of fun coming up with different ideas and different techniques to make this look like an actual real life gingerbread house. We had seen this one similar to this advertised on a television shopping network, and we said close to $150 is a little bit too much to spend on a gingerbread house, but we're going to make one for under $5, and that's exactly what we did. Next up is number 12 in our project share, and this is one that you may have already seen. But if you saw it in our home tours and had not seen the previous DIY video that we posted for this, then you may wonder how it was made or where it was purchased. It was not purchased. It was made by us using foam board from the Dollar Tree. It's entirely made of foam board, and the entire process of how we made this is in that DIY video, and we encourage you to check it out if you're interested in it. And also this little gingerbread guy, we also have a DIY video already posted for him, and he is also featured in our number 3 video, I believe it is, our part 3. And then these doors were featured in our fall video, which was a collaboration that we did with Annie Cuckoo. And you may remember that one of these doors was a teal color, and these are also made of foam board, and one was teal before, and Mama repainted it for the Christmas season into a bright.
We thank you so much for joining us, and we wish you the merriest of Christmases and the happiest of New Years.
And remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Have a great holiday season, guys. Bye.